Hello, good morning. This is Clifford, the real estate here. I'm going to show you around beach, near the beach lot for sale located in Cotcot, Liloan. So my reference point to start will be on Gaisano Country Mall, Liloan. So there's a Gaisano there. Let's go. Hello, good morning. This is near the beach. So this is a lot for sale, subdivided lot located in Cotcot, Liloan. Okay, so I'm gonna tour you around place. Muna siya ang place. Okay, so this is the information about this lot near the beach. Okay, so if you're looking for lot only near the highway, because this is only around 300 meters from the highway. This is limited lot for sale. Actually, there are only less than 10 lots available right now. This is the perfect place for you if you are looking for near the highway and then near the beach. Okay, so walking distance only from highway. Near Gaisano Country Mall, Gaisano Grand Mall rather, in Liloan, and public markets and beach resorts. Beach resort here in Liloan area, Liloan, Compostela. Okay, so if you are interested, just contact this number, 0917-771-7460, or you can chat. You can send a private message, direct message. Okay, price per square meter is 6,500 per square meter. This is payable in 5 years, zero interest, no down payment, no equity, and available lot cutting is 152, 100 square meter above. Okay, for example, if the lot area is 152 square meter and then there's a reservation of 10,000, the monthly for this lot with the area of 152 square meter is only 16,300. Okay, so computation, for example, so this is the sample computation, 152 square meter times 6.5. So total is 988,000 pesos less the 10,000 reservation. So 978,000. And then divide by 5 years or 60 months. So the monthly will be 16,300 pesos per month. Okay, so this is only 300 meters from the highway. If you are interested, just contact me. As you can see, there's a beach there. Okay, so this is a subdivided lot, 100 square meter ang mga cutting. Alright, if you're interested, just contact me or send a private message or call 0917-771-7460.
Nothing left, so hold on tight as the hurricane breaks defense. Stay hidden from the causes that might let go of